If we combine the populations of Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Russia, and Japan, this number wouldn't equate to half the amount of people lacking basic hygiene services globally. Sharing toothbrushes is common for citizens in developing countries, and the scarcity of soaps, sunscreen, safe razors, and reusable toiletries leaves many susceptible to chronic illnesses, viral infections, and parasites. As the population expands, consumption habits and resource use will exacerbate, straining our ability to provide sustainable hygiene products to underserved regions. 1.6 million people die each year due to this disparity. However, carbohydrate-based bioplastic hygiene kits are the key to providing impoverished communities with affordable hygiene products. Incorporating renewable resources like agar, tapioca, and corn fibers, these hygiene kits are 100% compostable and mitigate global food waste. This approach ensures universal access to wellness services while maximizing health outcomes for a growing populace.